Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I thought I'd try something a little different. You know your girl Shell loves her glam, but she also loves her farmhouse as well. So today I'm going to show you 2 simple DIY farmhouse projects. I hope you enjoy. I started by picking up some books from my local thrift store, and I had a wonderful idea in mind for a farmhouse book stack. I started by removing the 2 book covers, but the middle book I chose to spray paint in my favourite Rust-Oleum spray paint called Ocean Mist. While the 3rd book was drying, I took some gold and black craft paint and mixed them together. What I want to do here guys is make the edges of these books an aged look. So I took a makeup sponge and I just added it randomly on the edges.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar.
Once the 3rd book was dry, I also added that to the edges.
And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down.
I then positioned my turquoise book as the middle pop of colour.
1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high.
I then printed out this Bless Our Nest Google image, and what I'm going to do here guys is I'm going to cut out each individual word.
Ain't nobody like you.
Once they were all cut out, I then took the first word and flipped it over. I then took a lead pencil and I coloured in the back.
It's silent.
So this is the way to transfer some words onto a project. And what I'm doing here is I've just took the first book and I'm taking that pencil again and going over it. I'm then repeating the same steps to each of the words and adding them to each book. I will then take my black Sharpie pen and I will go over each of the words.
Like this, we hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are.
Once I was happy with the result, I then took this beautiful burlap ribbon. And what I want to do is I actually want to cover the top part of that book first of all. So I'm going to cut 2 equal strips. I'm then going to hot glue them to the middle. I then took another piece of that burlap ribbon and I tied it around the books and added a bow.
We pick up the pieces.
I then took this dollar store line and cut it to size, and I then threaded it through that burlap ribbon.
What it's worth, I'll try to change. We can't fix our broken hearts. Loving me is not so goddamn easy as I think. You try.
Once it was all secure, I then took some dollar store flowers and I hot glued them to the top of the bow.
Like this, we hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should tear us apart.
And here are my adorable little farmhouse books. I'm so happy with how they came.
We should tear us apart. Tear us apart. Tear us apart.
much as I'm definitely a glam girl, I certainly love the farmhouse style of decorating as well. I have a lot of it throughout my home, guys, and I've always admired these little farmhouse book stacks.
I don't wanna change who you are. To say it's always one step too far. Played my part.
You can purchase these online, guys, but they are quite expensive. So I wanted to share a simple and inexpensive way for you to be able to create them and personalise them for yourselves. I certainly love the rustic side of decor as well, and I love that I incorporated the turquoise colour in my book stack, which is a colour that I have a lot throughout my home. I then moved on to my second farmhouse project. I picked up this adorable little red tractor from my local Aldi store in their gardening section. Now, as much as I loved it red, I didn't feel it went with my decor. So I taped up the areas I didn't want paint on, and I took it outside and sprayed it in 2 coats of that beautiful ocean mist. Now, once it was completely dry, I took a piece of floral foam and I placed that inside the little tractor. I then took some dollar store flowers and I added them inside the tractor.
Maybe we should walk away, just say goodbye and go a separate way.
I then had a bag of cotton that I picked up off eBay, and what I'm going to do here, guys, is just make some stems out of some craft wire, and I'm going to add the cotton to the top. I will continue to add them in, as well as some of this little dollar store lavender. I then took a dollar store mini chalkboard and I wrote the words cotton 5 cents in a white marker. Off camera, I also added some of that lavender to the front grille of the tractor, and I'm so happy with how this came.
So hard to make you happy, and I know that you tried your best as well.
Guys, do your homes have different types of decorating throughout them? I'm certainly a glam girl, as I said, but I definitely have that rustic feel about me. I love anything farmhouse. I'm attracted to windmills and cotton, and I'm definitely attracted to anything that represents a farm. What a lot of you might not be aware of is that I used to live on a farm myself, and my house was filled to the brim with farmhouse decor. So I've definitely had that as a first love when it comes to decorating. If there's something that you see in store and you just don't think it's the right colour, take my advice and still bring it home. Paint can take your decorating to a whole new level. I wanted a turquoise little tractor, but I knew red would not go in my home. So I knew that with some paint and some decorative touches, I could make this little tractor appear in Shell's Glam Home the way that I had envisioned.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do, cause I'm not gonna let you slip away. I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Shell. I'm the creator of Shell's Glam Home, but I love all types of decorating and I love sharing simple and inexpensive ways for you to decorate your home.
I just want you for my own. It's really easy to tell that you're the best girl.
I would so appreciate you liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel and joining me here on my journey at Shell's Glam Home.
When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to farmhouse decorating. Leave me a comment down below if you've enjoyed these farmhouse DIYs. I'm also going to bring my glam lovers a big glam DIY project this weekend. So please do not despair, I still have lots of glam coming your way. So don't forget to tap the notification bell so you'll be aware when I upload that video.
On me, I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place?
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.